Relationships can be hard sometimes, even the relationship between you and your insurance agency. So how do you know when to test the market? Let's talk about that. Hi, it's Heather Flaherty at Barry Insurance. Every relationship has its ups and downs, but if you hit a breaking point, it might be time to break up with your current agency.
What the hell's going on?
Oh, hey, Ricky, nice of you to stop by for a visit.
What do you mean, a visit? This is my house.
I'm so sorry. I didn't want it to be this way.
Hey, what happened to the family portrait? Oh, you just crudely pasted your face over mine.
We're getting married, Ricky.
Oh, we both know that this has been over for a long, long time.
No! I honestly did not know that!
We get it. That can be hard to do. In fact, for most new clients that come to us, we actually have done the brunt of the work to switch them over to us from the agency they were not satisfied with. So, in this video, you will learn some instances when it might be time to consider switching agents, the process of switching from one agency to another. Let's jump in. When you might want to consider switching agents. When it comes to your insurance agent, you shouldn't settle for anything less than amazing.
Well, what are you waiting for?
I don't know, something amazing, I guess.
Working with an insurance agency is not a requirement. You could choose to work with a direct insurance writer if you want to. However, the benefit of an insurance agency is that they are supposed to provide additional services that make your life easier when shopping and managing your insurance.
Did anyone order me a plain cheese?
Well, yeah, we did. But if you want any, somebody's gonna have to barf it all up, because it's gone.
Mr. McAllister, here's your very own cheese pizza.
So, if your agent isn't doing that, you might as well just cut out the middleman. However, we believe that working with an agent is the best way to manage your insurance. You just need to find the one that cares about you and is willing to go above and beyond for you.
Hello?
I love you.
I think you laid it on a teensy bit thick there, old pal.
If you're experiencing any of the following issues with your insurance, it may be time to make a change. If your premium has increased over several years, an annual increase in premium is a common occurrence in the insurance world. But if your premium has increased significantly, unjustifiably, there may be better options available for you. Working with an agency might be able to help with that. Agencies partner with multiple carriers, so they're able to shop your insurance around for you and make sure you have the best coverage and the best deal. However, if your current agent isn't doing that for you, it might be time to find a new one. Your agent should be attentive to your policy, reviewing it each year to make sure you have the right coverage at the right price. If they are not shopping your insurance and letting your policy significantly increase each year, then you aren't getting the benefits you should be while working with an agency. If your coverages aren't enough or you've had an uncovered claim, as a good rule of thumb, you should never work with an insurance agency that just offers the minimum coverages. Whether you have personal or commercial coverages, the minimum coverages that carriers offer are almost never enough. To learn if your limits are enough, reach out to a reputable insurance agent to review your policies. But to see one example, we have linked an article in the description of this video on auto insurance that mentions how much coverage you should have. One unfortunate way to find out if your coverages aren't enough is if you've had an uncovered claim. The point of insurance is to cover you from claims, so if you've had an uncovered claim, it's a sign that your policy and your agent aren't doing their job making sure you are adequately covered. An uncovered claim could mean your limits are too low or you're missing a coverage or a separate type of insurance. If that happens, it might be time to look for a new agency. If you've experienced poor customer service, there's no excuse for bad customer service. Your insurance agent is there to serve and protect you. It's as simple as that. Maybe they don't customize your coverage for your needs, have mishandled your policy details or claims. Maybe they were rude or simply don't return your calls. No matter the situation, if you feel like you're not being properly supported by your current agency, it might be time to shop for a new agent.
If your agency partners with poor carriers, your agency chooses who to maintain partnerships with, so if they are choosing to work with carriers that don't have your best interests in mind, then they probably don't care about you as much as you might think. For example, here at Barry Insurance, we're picky about who we let insure our clients. We work with a small handful of reputable insurance carriers who we feel confident in placing coverage with. If we ever feel like they no longer align with our values or are not offering our clients the service they deserve, we aren't afraid to step away from the partnership, even if it means we miss out on some new clients. You shouldn't want to work with an agency who is willing to partner with insurance carriers who cut corners, underinsure, or try to upsell you on coverages you don't need, just so they can pocket a few extra bucks. If you feel like that is happening to you, you may want to move on to an agency that cares about your best interest a little bit more. If you want to learn a little more about the top Massachusetts personal insurance carriers we like to work with, then check out the article in the link of this video. If you are moving out of state, you may be able to stick with your current agent. Often, agencies are only licensed to provide insurance in the state they are located in or a limited area. For example, Berry Insurance is located in Massachusetts and mostly does business in Massachusetts, but we are licensed to work in some other New England states. So, if you're moving to a state your agent isn't licensed in, you'll need to find a new agent. As a tip, we suggest looking for a local, independent agency with a lot of positive online reviews.
Grin, grin, wink, wink, nudge, nudge, say no more.
If your agent isn't offering any additional services, maybe your agent is doing everything they should be doing, but are they going the extra mile? We aren't saying that your agent isn't working hard, but some agencies are doing more, and you deserve more than the bare minimum. For example, at our agency, we constantly publish educational articles and videos on our website and YouTube channel, as well as helpful worksheets and tools to keep you informed about insurance and provide resources to answer any questions you may have. We also offer additional resources that aren't always insurance related to our commercial clients, aimed at helping them effectively manage their business. Some agencies may even offer RMV services for you. How to switch insurance agents. If you've decided you're ready to move on from your current agent and work with someone new, you're probably curious about what that may look like. The process may look different for different types of insurance, but we'll go over the process for auto and home insurance. The process for both is similar, so if your policies are bundled and you are switching both to a new agent, which we always recommend, the two processes will be completed simultaneously. For auto insurance, once you select a new agency, you'll need to contact them and establish a new auto insurance policy. You'll need to give them information about yourself, your vehicles, and any other drivers on the policy. You will then discuss and choose your coverages, limits, deductible options, and a payment plan. Finally, your new agent will prepare a 2A letter, which is a document that shows you have active car insurance with a new carrier. They will send this 2A letter to your previous agent, who will then cancel your old policy. If you want more details on how to buy car insurance, check out the article in the description of this video for a step-by-step guide. For home insurance, first you would select the insurance agency you want to work with and contact them. You will need to provide information like your contact information, coverage history, property information, exposures, etc. Then you would discuss and choose your coverages, limits, deductible options, and select a payment plan. Then your new agent will prepare a cancel request form for your previous agent for you to sign. They will then send the signed cancel request to the previous agent, who will cancel the prior policy. For more information on getting a home insurance policy, check out the article linked below. Overall, the process is fairly simple. You may need to sign some documents and answer some questions, but your agent should do most of the work for you. Although the process is simple, I am sure that you don't want to make a habit of having to switch insurance agencies. So do your research and make sure the next agency you choose is a long-term relationship. In case you want to learn more about searching for an insurance agency, we recommend checking out our Learning Center on our website. We have articles and videos on what to look for when choosing an agency, as well as some other resources to help you in your search. Also, if you're in Massachusetts or New England, feel free to give us a call. We'd love to hear from you. And while you're here, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We make videos like this every week to keep you updated on all things insurance. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.